Ooh, did I scare you? This is what I just bought over at Home Goods today. I saw this and thought it was so cute I couldn't wait to buy it and share it with you. It is so beautifully put together and it really wasn't all that expensive. Let me see how much it was. It was only $10, $9.99, and made in India. As you can see, the quality of the wood is really good, and all the beadwork is beautiful too. And it has a weight to it, so it isn't made out of particle board or something lightweight. It's really good quality wood. I was real happy with it, and you can see all the beautiful beading and pearls all the way around. It really, really is nice. I guess India is the queen of beading because this is so well put together and only was $10. Couldn't believe how pretty it looked for such a small amount of money. Now let's go see what else Grandma got. Well, I saw this and I just had to have it. The King of Lion. Oh my gosh, isn't he? He's like he's meditating right now. His eyes are closed. His hands are relaxed on his knees, praying for peace. Isn't he a handsome guy? Thought he was so great. And let me see what it cost. I think it was $7.99, but let me check. No, I'm wrong. It was $9.99, so it was $10. They had a bigger one, I think for like $2 more. And it was pretty heavy, and this one isn't as heavy, but I sort of wanted something a little smaller for I could tuck it on a small table or a centerpiece or in the cozy corner. So that's why I went ahead and bought it. It wasn't really the price. I think it was more the size. But I really did like him, and I just like the way he's posed and just like he's meditating and praying for peace. Okay, let's see what else I got. I found these beautiful, beautiful finished white plates. And I thought these would go so nice with so many different things I already own. It's the pretty classic, white goes with everything, but the finish on it made it a little bit nicer than just an average white plate. And I had a pair of them because, you know, Grandma does tablescapes for two. And let's see what the price of that. I'm not quite sure where this was made. Oh, here it is. It's Turkey. It was made in Turkey. Okay, but it was really, really nice. And I really enjoyed it. It was $4.99. So that's $5 a plate. So they were worth the money. And I was glad to get some really premium porcelain. And this has a nice weight to it, but not too heavy. But it just is finished off so beautiful. This was a great find for me. Now these are really beautiful too. They are a white porcelain and they have gold trim, and I thought it would go really nice with all my Mackenzie Child pieces. And let's go see what it cost. Well, I can hardly believe what I'm reading here. This is $4.99 the price, and Grace Teaware is the manufacturer. It says fine porcelain, but what I can't believe, oh wait a minute, I see. It says not microwave or safe. I didn't read the word not, because I know it had gold paint. So you cannot put these in the microwave, but you can put them in the dishwasher. They were also made in China. The price is pretty good, $4.99. You can't beat that price, and I got a pair of them. Now, I probably should have bought 2 more of these plates for it would match the set of cups and saucers that I bought. But I didn't have any more money with me, and you have to work on a budget. I'm not charging anything. I pay cash or I don't get it. So this was a pretty good price because I have the 4 cups and the 4 saucers, as you can tell. They match the plates, and it's by the same manufacturer. And I got them for $12.99. Now it said normal price was $24. I don't know if that's true or not. But $12.99 wasn't too bad of a price, so that meant each cup and each saucer came to $3 for the set, since I bought 4 cups and I bought 4 saucers. But anyway, I'm very happy with how this turned out. It's a little bit on the glammy side, so I can put something a little fancy out there, and that's important to Grandma because I don't have a lot. And as you can tell, that lion looks pretty good with those beautiful gold plates, gold and white plates too, don't you think? I thought it looks pretty good. The gold matches almost perfectly. So I'm real happy with what I bought. Now, I bought one more thing. Let me share it with you. Is this not the cutest cup you've ever seen? It's not really scary at all. It's just very funny and nice. I liked it. Keep glam and spook on. I thought it was really, really good. And it's finished off inside with a really pretty orange. And of course, gray is one of my favorite colors, and so it's finished with gray on the outside along with the orange and the white. I thought it was really nice, and of course it's finished on both sides. Here's the other side, perfect match, so it doesn't matter how you put this cup on the table, it's always going to be finished. And it's that I love best of all about this cup. It's finished on both sides. Now let's go check out the price. Well, you can't beat the price, $3.99. As always, this here is an 18-ounce mug, so that's quite a bit of liquid you can put in there. It is microwave and dishwasher safe, handcrafted in China. Like I said, I think it's a very nice quality cup, and I was real happy with how it looked. So that is my haul this week for HomeGoods, my favorite store to shop at. Well, as you can see, I'm sharing everything with you. I have the 2 white and gold plates and 4 cups and 4 saucers. I probably will go back over to HomeGoods next week, and if they have some more of these white plates with the gold dots, I will probably buy 2 more. For I'll have enough for 4 because I have 4 cups and 4 saucers. But we will see what happens. I am super happy with these plates I got from Turkey. Who knows, I might even get 2 more of those if they have them. More than likely, I'm not going to find it because, you know, HomeGoods, it's pretty hard to find things there. But you never know, they might even have some more next year. I have done that before. And of course, the wonderful Boo sign, super cute for Halloween. And of course, I love my King Lion meditating. And of course, my Halloween cup. Well, let me know what you thought of my wonderful shopping haul I did. And which one of these items was your favorite?